My name's Terell. I've been in David's program for about a month. Um, I just closed my first deal last week for about $1,200. We have another one coming up for about another 1,200. I'm so excited to be part of his group. It's been incredible. Like the calls, just everything that I'm learning from the SEO to just how to market, just a completely different spin on business. Sorry, I'm on a little walk right now. But it's a completely different spin on business. I appreciate him so much. He's so knowledgeable, such a great guy to have in your corner. Yeah, he's been probably one of the best mentors I've ever had. I've only been around him for a month, but just the knowledge, the game that you get from him is incredible. I mean, you can use these skills in any other business to really help scale and leverage yourself. I know he's big on leverage, and I'm learning all about leverage. So it's been a absolute game changer to be in this program. So I would get in this program ASAP because you're missing out on a lot of money out there. People are leaving a lot of meat on the bone, and the guys and girls that are in this program are going to be feasting off of it. So I'd get in the program ASAP if I were you. Thanks, guys. Take care. Guys, my name's Terell. I've been in David's program for about a month.